Hello guys, Shahid here, and in this video I am going to show you how to crop your videos, and after that I will show you how to zoom your videos. So let's start. First open Filmora X and then I will import some video. Now here you see a crop button, click on it. Now here you can select an area that you want to crop. If I want this area, I will select the area and click OK. Now I will show you if it works or not. So here you can see my full video will crop it. And if you don't want to crop a full video, you can simply split it and then crop it. In my previous video I will show you how to split a video. You can see that video. I will give link in my description. So my video will split, and now I will do the same procedure that I will show you before. And now I will show you how it looks like. So we have learned how to crop a video, and now I will show you how to zoom in your video. First I will delete this. Now here you can see a crop button, click on it, and here you can see a pan and zoom, click on it. Now here you can select an area that you want to zoom. I will select this area for now. And after selecting area, click OK. And now I will show you. So here you can see it will zoom out, not zoom in. Why it happened, I will show you. Here you can see our starting area is lower than ending area. So we will change it opposite. Now I am selecting full area for my starting point and smaller for end. Here in this selecting area you can see a start written and here end. So this is how you can differentiate between start and end. And now we will see how it looks like. So in this video we have learned how to crop a video and how to zoom your video. If you want to learn Filmora X or any other software, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for never miss any of my update. Thanks for watching.